In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check account activity in Hostinger. If you want to keep an eye on your account security and review recent access details, Hostinger makes this very simple. Checking your account activity is a good habit because it helps you confirm when your account was accessed, what device was used, and where the login came from. This can be especially useful if you ever notice something unusual or just want peace of mind that everything looks normal. To get started, make sure you're already signed into your Hostinger account and looking at the main dashboard area. Once you're there, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look through the available options and choose Account Activity. This section is where Hostinger shows you the recent activity associated with your account. As soon as you open it, you'll be able to review important details related to sign-ins and access history. Inside the account activity area, you'll typically see information such as logins, the device used, the location, and possibly other related details. This gives you a quick overview of how and where your account has been accessed. For example, you may be able to tell whether a login came from a desktop or mobile device and whether it happened from a familiar location. When you're reviewing this page, take a moment to scan the list carefully. Make sure the activity matches your own recent logins and devices. If everything looks familiar, then you're all set. If you notice something unexpected, such as a device you don't recognize or a location that seems unfamiliar, that could be a sign that you should take extra security precautions right away. Even if nothing seems wrong, it's still a smart idea to check this section from time to time. Regularly reviewing account activity can help you stay aware of what's happening with your account and catch anything suspicious early. So once again, the process is simple. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, choose Account Activity, and then review the login details, device information, and location data shown on the page. And that's how to check account activity in Hostinger.